Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix too many attempts. Please try again later on Telegram. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you are facing this type of problem, then I will show you how can you fix this type of problem. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply close this page, and then let me tell you that you have to tap on this, and you have to tap on info, and you have to tap on permissions, and make sure that you have allowed all the permissions. So if you don't, then you have to allow all permissions to this one, and after that go back, then force stop the app from here. Then you have to clear cache and clear storage, then go back, and then what you have to do is just simply go back again. And then let me tell you that you have to make sure your connection is strong enough. If it's not, then what you have to do is just simply turn the aeroplane mode on and for 2-3 seconds, and then turn it off again, and then close this page, and you have to open settings. And after that, what you have to do is just simply system, and you have to tap on reset option, and from here you have to reset network setting. And then what you have to do is just simply turn the Telegram on, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply uninstall your app from here, and then restart your phone, and then reinstall your app. And after doing all these things, your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.